Today I want to talk with you guys about the difference a day makes. Now you may be like, I wonder what concept she's coming up with when it comes to this video. I was thinking the same thing. But as I ponder on some challenges that we go through in life, this subject matter came to me. Because sometimes we're involved and we're really in the muck of things and we're really under that chaos, and I call it under the shit. Now, I know that's a swear word and some of you might be turned off by that, but it really is shitty sometimes. You know, inside of our space, we go through things. Our business goes through stuff, our personal life goes through stuff, our health, relational, all of that stuff. And that day where we're going through crap can be a really crappy day of that week, of that month, of that year even for some of us. But if you take a look at and really sit down and position it, you do not have to take forward all of that stuff into the next day. We get to make a choice every day when we wake up in the morning to reframe our days, to decide what it is we want to take forward, what it is we want to keep, and what do we want to have in our day today. So we've talked about morning rituals before in one of my previous videos, and that's really a great space to reframe how you want this day to look. Tomorrow's past. No, it's not. The past is past. Yesterday is past. That's what I really meant to say. Yesterday is past. Yesterday is gone. We can't change it, but what we can do is change today. So everything that happened before, we can choose not to bring in, let's say, the energy of it. Sometimes circumstances happen for weeks on end, and there's some things that we might not be able to change because they're aligned with other people. But what we can really change is our perception on our life and what we want to move forward. So the difference a day makes all of the difference. So today, if there's something you want to change, let it go today and don't bring it into tomorrow, and let's see where you're at next week. Have a great day.